Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Koil and
मुझे पता है एंड आई एम वेरी सॉरी फॉर दैट कि बहुत महीनों के बाद वीडियो आ रहा है.
but there were things happening. I was busy, but no worries. I am back, and today we're gonna create this beautiful Pinteresty kind of makeup look using minimal products जो आपके vanity में होगा ही होगा एक ना एक. So you can recreate it anytime. And before jumping onto the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell button so every time I post you get a ding dong. Let's go. Now starting with the base, Pinterest की base जो भी मैंने देखा है and I have researched, those are not too heavy और heavy होगा तो eventually केकी भी हो सकता है. So we're gonna go with either tinted sunscreens or tinted serum foundation or with high coverage concealers. So मैं आज यूज़ करूँगी high coverage concealer. I'm gonna apply concealer on my high points like eyes के नीचे, around the corner of my mouth, on the nose, थोड़ा माथे पे, थोड़ा फेस पे. And this is enough. Blending everything with my fingers because you don't always need itna brushes to do so. So the concealer is on and look how beautifully it has the coverage. Everything is covered, nothing acne marks or kuch dikh raha hai, but I feel like my base but better. The next product on my face is going to be this lip and cheek tint. It's from Tint Cosmetics. ये आउट ऑफ स्टॉक ही है बट आई विल डेफिनेटली टैग बिलो ऑल्टरनेटिव प्रोडक्ट्स बट दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट लिप एंड चिक टिंट्स. मतलब इसका कंसिस्टेंसी इज़ समथिंग आई वुड डाई फॉर. एट्यूड का भी अच्छा है बट एट्यूड का इज़ लिटिल मोर वाटरी बट दिस इजंट and this blends so beautifully and the color I think maximum skin tones को ही suit करेगा ऐसा है. Okay, now moving on to eyes. One thing I really prefer that is very Pinteresty, whimsical kind of things are shimmery eyes, मतलब shimmery eyelids, like something that will like be shiny. So for that you can either go with your basic highlighters, eyeshadow palettes में भी होता है shimmer colors, shimmery shades sorry, or you can go with like highlighting kind of balms. This one is from Swiss Beauty Jellyverse, kind of balmy kind of texture में जो भी you like you can go with. So now I'm going to put this shade on my eyelids, just this, कुछ और color नहीं. Matching the shimmery shade with my outfit. अगर आपका outfit blue है, green है और anything outfit से match भी नहीं है contrast में, you can go. Nothing to worry about. खराब एकदम भी नहीं दिखेगा. It will look just whimsical. People of your taste will recognize you as a whimsical person. That's all. Now to finish up the eyes, I'm gonna use Simply mascara. I am not a very big fan of eyeliners or anything kajal, but if you are, you should definitely use it. Make more whimsical. Do some patterns with your eyeliners. Like you can search in Pinterest like whimsical eyeliners and so on. You will get a lot of them, but for me I'm gonna skip it and directly jump into mascara. I'm gonna use this very good lengthening mascara from Stays. This is a tubing mascara, so absolutely good for daily use. Look at that. Look at those lashes. मेरे lashes ज़्यादा dense नहीं है, so this one is a game changer. Rubbing off the excess from the mascara wand and इसको ही हम eyebrow gel की तरह use करेंगे to just give a little bit of definition. Moving on to my lips, I'm going to use one simple trick that I have talked about almost every time, and even I have uploaded इसका reel पहले ही Instagram पे, so you can check it out. You know the trick. So firstly we are going to apply lip and cheek tint on our lips ताकि it gives a stain and पूरा दिन long last करे और at least 3-4 घंटे तो कर ही जाएगा. Applying some amount on the lips and dabbing it with our fingers just like Korean lips. So when your lipstick wears off or gloss, ये तो नहीं जाएगा, that is for sure. As I have already tried this lip combo with a matte lipstick, I'm going to use a shimmery kind of lip gloss this time to see just how this turns out, and I have a feeling ये अच्छा ही होगा. Lip gloss is from e.l.f. This was gifted by one of my very close friends, and it's the lip lip lacquer. Lip lacquer, yeah, I think that's. Let's see. By the way, this is a quite thick gloss, so you don't need a lot. You're gonna remove off the excess. And this is how it's looking. This looks quite cute, but if you don't think कि ये directly आपके अच्छा लगेगा, you can just go on with a lip liner on top and you will be sorted. But this is looking something like Korean lips जो होता है ना, like ombre effect kind of, because इधर थोड़ा dark है, ऊपर नहीं है कुछ भी ज़्यादा. But I think this is looking quite nice. And that's it, we are done. My Pinteresty kind of makeup is all set, and you can just see how light my base is looking, how my eyes are looking, the lips and everything. I feel like this is on point. No, this is not Korean girl makeup, nahi. This is kind of Pinteresty, because Korean में ज़्यादा skin पे focus करते हैं, जो हमने नहीं किया. We just kept it very just normal and simple, nothing too shiny. But that's how I'm looking, and I absolutely love this kind of makeup where we are going to use minimal products but to make us look so cute. We are also someone who have just counted products, very minimal, very basic kind of products in their vanity. You can definitely recreate this look, because this one is gonna slay hard. Every time you're gonna do something like this, I am sure you're gonna get noticed, because who doesn't want shiny eyelids, right? If you like this video, don't forget to like. Tell me in the comments if you're gonna recreate this Pinteresty makeup look, and also share it with your friends so you can encourage them to try different kind of looks. So yeah, that's it. See you in the next one, besties. Bye.